I'm Brenda from Massachusetts, and I heard about LeafFilter through television and decided to give them a call because our gutters were in pretty rough shape. And we had leaking, we had damage starting on windowsills. And so we decided to get an estimate. It was quick. It was efficient. It was honest. They came the next day, and in one day they completed the job, did a beautiful job, cleaned up. The price was reasonable, and we're thrilled. We have bad winters here, and we're looking forward to winter for a change. So I would recommend getting LeafFilter because if you don't, you're going to have to pay somebody to clean your gutters every year, and that's dangerous, and it's expensive.